In this video, we will cover tab number 2 of the Mission and Cost Analysis Excel spreadsheet, and this tab covers program spaces. So this section is used to calculate the size of the facility in cubic feet that you're working with. So in column B here, we're going to start by implementing the program spaces. Where in tab 1 we had program centers such as swimming lessons, tab 2 is going to have the program space utilized, so a deep end of the pool, shallow end of the pool, etc. So this column is important to remember that it only accounts for locations at which activities are held. So we don't want any common areas such as hallways, closets, etc. to be in this column. Moving forward, column C and D deal with the length and width of a room. To calculate facility space on a square footage basis, you're going to want to enter the length and width of each program space with the nearest foot. So for example, if a room is 20 feet 6 inches, you're going to enter 20.5 in column C. Moving forward, column E indicates the height of a program space, which will change our total dimensions to cubic feet instead of square footage. So you're going to want to enter a 1 in every column here, except for the pool spaces. The height of the pool spaces is set at a 2 in order to double the actual square footage. This will increase the occupancy cost allocated to the pool and compensate for the fact that the pools are at least twice as expensive to operate than any other program space. So if the Y has a second pool, like this one does, a pool 1 and a shallow pool, you're going to want to make the same adjustment for both pool spaces. Once columns B through E are compiled and filled out, F through H are going to self-populate. Really quick, we'll just go over what they say. So column F is just the total square footage or cubic footage that a YMCA space utilizes. Column G is the percent of the total YMCA space that the program takes up. And column H is the occupancy allowance that is allocated for that specific space. So just a couple more hints for this tab. You do have these little bubbles that will pop up when you hover your mouse over the little tabs in these corners here, which can help you if you get stuck or along the way to check and make sure that you're filling this out right.